Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wix website URL prefix. This is particularly useful if you want to customize your site's web address to better reflect your brand or make it more memorable for visitors. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken directly to your Wix dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing all aspects of your website. Now that you're on your Wix dashboard, look towards the top right part of your screen. Here you'll find your profile icon, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This section is where you can manage your personal information, billing details, and importantly for our purposes today, your site's URL settings. Once you're in the Account Settings page, you'll need to locate the Site URL Prefix field. This is where your current site address is displayed, and it's what we're going to customize. Next to this field, you'll see an Edit button. Click on it to proceed with making changes to your URL prefix. A small window will pop up on your screen. This is where the magic happens. In this window, you can enter your new site URL prefix. Think carefully about what you want your new prefix to be, as this will be part of your site's public address. As you type, you'll notice a URL prefix preview appearing below the input field. This preview shows you exactly how your new web address will look once the changes are saved. Take a moment to review it carefully and make sure it's exactly what you want. Once you're satisfied with how your new URL prefix looks in the preview, click on the Save button to confirm your changes. The system will update your site's URL prefix immediately, and your website will now be accessible using this new address. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Wix website URL prefix, giving your site a more personalized and professional web address. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.